Hello, and welcome to another riveting episode of Servers with Steve. Today, we're going to be replacing the fans on my 24-port Unifi switch with the previous equipment that I had, which was a 16-port Unifi switch, and the previous router that I was using, which was also Unifi. The reason we're replacing them is because the fans in here on the rack are a little loud, and so the ones that I'm going to be replacing with are quieter. The reason we want to replace them is this office that we're currently in right now is going to be used for a work from home setup with the monitors and the monitor arm right behind me. But in order for us to get the fans replaced, we need a place to work. So it means I need to install the monitors and the monitor arm. So let's go ahead and do that. So as far as the monitors go, it's pretty straightforward. There's a little tab that I just pulled right there, and that just drops into the monitor. It's got a clamp that just screws onto the back. They're fully adjustable, up, down, left, right. I can move them up as high as I want. That's where they max out. I'm probably going to have to move this lamp right there, but we can figure that out here later. The biggest point was getting something clear out that we could work on. So, coming over to the switch. So this is the switch right here that we will be changing out the fans on. I don't know if you can hear this very well, but it is fairly loud if somebody wants to work in here. That. But that is the project of the day. So what we need to do is we need to make sure all of these cables right here match what's going to the switch to make sure that we know how to hook that back up correctly. And then we'll go ahead and we'll pull that out of the rack. These are the two pieces of equipment that I will be replacing the fans with. So we'll get all of this pulled apart first, I think, before we go ahead and we pull the switch apart. And once we have the fans pulled out, we'll pull the switch out and get the fans replaced. So let's get to it. Alright, so we got everything put back together. It's still pretty loud, so we're going to go ahead and install the fans. Essentially what we're going to have to do is just replace these. These will just be a direct swap per swap. These are going to be a little bit more involved. They will fit, but I'm going to have to drill out two holes to mount. Sorry, I'm going to have to drill 2 holes to mount these and these right here. So once we get those swapped out, we should be good. We already tested them on the previous controller and switch, and they were significantly quieter, so I have a feeling these fans are probably just pretty old. So we'll go ahead and get this pulled back apart and get going on it. Alright guys, so a couple things to note here. In the video that I watched when I initially was seeing if this was going to work, The person that I watched recommended only installing 2 screws. I can definitely vouch for that, because trying to drill out all 4 of these would have been a nightmare. They're small, they're tiny. I guarantee you're not going to hurt anything. And at this point, if you had a warranty on this, it's already voided. So do with that information what you will. One of the things that wasn't mentioned in the video that I watched was these fans come with an extension kit. Highly worth it, because these 2 fans would not have reached with just the regular fans, the regular wires that were on there. These ones were fairly long wires. Definitely recommend this kit for that as well. So let's go ahead and get this thing fired up and see how it sounds. All right, so we got the switch fired up. As you can see, the fans are spinning. And here again, you can tell the fans are in fact spinning. And this thing is dead silent. It is absolutely insane how quiet that this switch is. So I would say this is definitely a success. So we'll go ahead and get this thing buttoned back up, get it back into the rack right there, which is currently a disaster, but we'll get that all sorted here in a minute and get this switch ready to go. All right, guys, that's going to go ahead and wrap it up. I just want to say thank you for coming by to check out this Noctua fan install on my Unifi switch. Definitely learned a lot from this one. One of the biggest takeaways, I think, is you can never really predict how things are going to go, especially in the IT world. Like I said, I wasn't planning on reusing, or I wasn't planning on using any newer fans or even ordering these Noctua fans, but that's just kind of how life goes sometimes. So just always got to kind of be prepared. And, thankfully this is my home network. Again, this is why I'm grateful for it, because had this happened at work, we would have had a switch that's been down for, 2-3 days. So, and again, there's protocols in place to make sure that kind of stuff doesn't happen. This is a home lab environment exactly for that reason. But like I said, you can never really be too sure about how things are going to go. I was hoping that I was going to be able to reuse these fans, and that wasn't the case. So, well, until next one, guys, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment if you have something you'd like to know or have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.